Tired of showing up on social media every day and not having the sales to show for it? No worries, I've got you. My mom and I have been able to grow a 7-figure global brand in a relatively short period of time with a pretty small audience, thanks to a very specific social media strategy that allows us to work smarter, not harder. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a content calendar that converts for your business, so you can stop spinning your wheels and start gaining leads, sales, and signups from your social media efforts. I'm Jordan Maylea, co-founder of the Global Freedom Community, alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, where we help female entrepreneurs create a laptop lifestyle using profitable habits and evergreen marketing strategies so you can create consistent, repeatable revenue without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button. We put out great new videos just like this one every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. Before we dive in, let me share one really important thing with you. You may be using social media to grow your business, but never forget that social media is not your business. You don't work for Facebook or Instagram or TikTok or Clubhouse. But when you feel like all of your time is going into creating content and trying to keep those ever-changing algorithms happy, it sure can feel that way, right? This video is here to simplify your social media content strategy so you can get off the hamster wheel and step into profit with a little less stress and a lot less overwhelm. So let's dive in. Reels, TikToks, carousels, feed posts, short form videos, long form videos, live broadcasts, stories. It's easy to get overwhelmed just thinking about all the different ways there are to create and publish content on social media. And that doesn't even begin to get into the specifics of what posts should be going where, between your Instagram grid, your Reels, your video feed, your personal Facebook profile or business page or your group. It's a lot, right? So take a breath and let's simplify it, okay? At the end of the day, your social media posts should all fall within 3 main goals: to attract, capture, or convert. One reason we get so overwhelmed by social media is because we're not posting with purpose. So before you post, ask yourself, what's the goal of this piece of content? Is it to attract new followers? Is it to nurture your current audience? Or is it to convert viewers into leads, sales, or signups for your business? In order to have a content plan that converts, every single week, you need to be hitting all 3 of these categories in your posting. My mom and I created a social media posting plan and resource guide that breaks this all down for you, which you can grab over at globalfreedomcommunity.com/post. But let's go over them real quickly right here. Attract posts are posts that give value by educating, inspiring, or entertaining your audience. Reels and TikToks are great for attracting people and expanding your reach, because the algorithm is naturally pushing those out to a broader audience right now. Nurture posts build the know, like, and trust factor with your current audience and may also attract new followers as well. You nurture by sharing your story, sharing your why, and showing your audience how you live what you teach by sharing your routines, your mindset, and behind the scenes stuff as it relates to your niche. Nurture posts can also give value by consistently creating carousel posts, for example, that share tips and tricks and inspiration. It's a great way to show up and serve your current followers. Carousels are also very shareable, which means it can give you a lot of exposure to potential new followers as well. Convert posts are posts that turn followers into leads, sales, or signups. These are posts where you directly ask for a sale, showcase client results, or provide social proof like before and afters or testimonials. These posts point your ideal clients to their problems and show them there is a solution. If you want to see a full breakdown of all the different post categories, including a full description of each and how we schedule them each week across our different platforms, you can grab our posting guide for free at globalfreedomcommunity.com/post. And I'll be sure to link it below for you as well. Next, you need to decide how you're going to organize your content. We use Google Calendar, but you can also use Evernote, Trello, Google Drive, or Asana. To create a Google Calendar for your content, head over to calendars.google.com. Click on the little plus symbol, then click Create a New Calendar, and give your calendar a name, then click the blue Create New Calendar button. We love using Google Calendars because you can set up recurring events, which means you can create your calendar once and it's done. You don't have to think about it every single day or even every single week. Click on the day you want to add a post to, and then add a little title and time. For title, I usually put the platform, the category, and the type of post. So, for example, I might say Instagram, attract, reel. And if I wanted to post a reel every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, first thing in the morning, I would type Instagram, attract, reel, and then select 9 a.m. Then where it says do not repeat, I would click and select custom. I would then set this post to repeat on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then click done. Click save, then move on to your next post. A finished content calendar might look like this. I have my daily posts for Facebook and Instagram, which are the main platforms that my mom and I focus on within our business. Now here's where the real magic happens. As you create your content, you'll want to include a caption, a call to action, and any important links in the description of your content calendar event. For example, my mom and I highly recommend batch recording your reels. I like to record between 12 and 16 reels at a time and save them all to the camera roll of my phone so I can post them later. But it's kind of hard to go back and find the audios if you aren't organized. If you're wanting to post a reel with a specific audio, go to Instagram, copy the link, and paste it here in this event. Then when you get ready to post it, just click on the link and it will open up the audio directly in Instagram. Click on the audio at the bottom, then click use this audio and you can create your reel straight from there. This is also where you want to put your captions and your CTA. Just copy paste your caption into the description of the specific post that you want to edit on your Google Calendar and click save. The most important part here is to make sure this event is selected before you save. Otherwise, Google Calendar will apply the changes to any other recurring event you have scheduled. So to clarify, you want to set all of your events up inside your Google Calendar first. Then go into each event and edit the caption, the link, and the CTA as you create each individual post. Okay, let's talk about your call to action because this is the real key to creating content that converts. Every single post on Instagram needs to have a call to action. It can be a call to action to leave a comment or follow you, or our personal favorite, to visit the link in your bio and grab a freebie or register for a free training. We include a CTA to visit the link in our bio in about 90% of our Instagram posts. This results in hundreds of people clicking the link in our bio every single month, taking an action, and opting in to our email list. We use evergreen marketing funnels to convert social media views into leads, sales, and signups on autopilot. But if you don't have a funnel yet, your CTA can invite people to comment or reach out to you in DM and get the link, or you can have a conversation with them one-on-one. All right, now that you have your plan, how do you organize all of your content ideas? You want to create one place to file all of your content ideas and save cool post examples as you find them so that you can use them as inspiration later. I love to use Google Docs for this, but you can also use Trello or Evernote. It's totally up to you and your individual preference. Next time you see a post that you love on Instagram, don't just scroll by it. Instead, click on the 3 little dots, copy the link, and paste it into your Google document. You can categorize your links by platform, by post, and by category. So the next time you sit down to batch your content, you can easily access all of your ideas. Of course, you may also think of content ideas that you don't see other places, and those are easy to add to your Google Doc as well. Having a content plan allows for fewer mistakes and more consistency, which is key to growth on any platform. And keeping your post ideas well organized makes it easy to batch your content and post it later, or even pre-schedule or outsource it as your business grows. My mom and I have always had the philosophy to build our business from day one as if it was already a 7-figure business, meaning putting the systems and operations in place to make things easier. Now that we really do have a 7-figure business, all the systems and organization that we put in place at the beginning really pays off and allows us to automate many parts of our business so that we can free up brain space and take time to do the other important things in our business, like engaging with our community, taking care of our clients, and being actually able to step away from our business without stress, overwhelm, or guilt. If you want to see the social media posting plan we follow to power our 7-figure business, just head on over to globalfreedomcommunity.com/post. We always keep this free guide updated with the latest social media strategies that are working best right now in our own business, especially when that pesky algorithm decides to change. Did you know that different platforms can serve a different purpose in your business? The same platform that's great for attracting an audience might not be the best for nurturing, and the platform that's best for nurturing might not be the best for getting your business in front of new people. We did a full video showing you how to choose the best social media platform for you based on where you are in your business right now, which you can watch right here. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so that you get notified the next time we release a new training like this one. That's all I've got for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.